All right, you guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about how and why you would open your KRK Rokit studio monitors. For those of you who don't know about KRK, KRK Systems began manufacturing the studio monitors back in about 2003. It was with their Generation 1 KRKs, and now we are currently in 2020, and they are KRK G4 8s. G4, of course, standing for Generation 4, and 8 standing for 8-inch low-frequency driver. They are a subsidiary of the Gibson Company and are pretty well known as some of the best budget-friendly studio monitors on the market today. Now, when it comes to troubleshooting things and repairing them, there are definitely a couple things to note. For a lot of people, buying studio monitors used is a pretty common thing, and many people buy their KRK Rokits from third-party dealers, whether that's pawn shops, whether that's off Craigslist, Reverb, eBay, and such. This means that those people don't have any sort of warranty, extended warranty, or any repair warranty or anything like that, which can be unfortunate if something happens. This can even happen if you buy from Guitar Center or Sweetwater and you get an extended warranty and it runs out, and then you have an issue with one of your monitors, and you kind of have to either pay up or fix it yourself. Luckily, the typical things that happen to studio monitors that need repair are pretty easy to fix, especially the KRKs. They made them very, very simple, very, very, repair friendly, you would say. So, for me, I used to have a pair of KRKs, and one speaker started failing at one point, and it wasn't that it was totally burnt out. It was more so that it was getting this really quiet crackling and static sort of noise, and it sounded basically like how a dirty pot sounds when it's rotated. If there's any guitar players out there, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's that like nasty crackle that you get. Sometimes it would subside once it had warmed up, but for most of the time I would get this really nasty crackle. Luckily, I'm a bit familiar with board level components. I'm familiar with soldering, with circuit design at a pretty minimal level, and I just felt like, okay, why not figure it out myself. So I would say that I was able to do it, first of all, and it was pretty easy. And I would say that anyone with a basic understanding of how monitors work should be able to do this as well. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. For sure, you're going to need some precision snips, and also a soldering iron, a desoldering braid as well. This way you can get in here super, super easy. You simply open up the back plate right here and you're inside. I'm not going to open it up right now, but I'm going to show you a little picture of what it looks like on the inside. So this is what you're getting on the inside right here. As you can see, it's simply once you get the screws off, you can take your screwdriver and just pry off the back plate. Very, very simple to get your all the components laid out there, and then you just look around and you're going to see what doesn't look good. The best way is to check out the capacitors and the resistors for any trouble. One of the best things to do is to just kind of look around with a flashlight and see if there's anything that's kind of burnt out. You're going to be able to see it. Your components will look nasty and will look burnt, and then you simply go in to replace them. You can buy new components from KRK or from other companies, but yeah, I just want to keep it simple, kind of give you a little insight into how you can open the backup and if it's safe to open the backup. And I think it's very, very easy to do. No matter what your problem is, you can go in there and troubleshoot it with ease. So that's pretty much it for me. If you guys have any questions to why or how to open up your KRK Rokit monitors, or if you have any insights into how you would do it, please feel free to let me know in the comments. All right, take it easy.